How much Dogecoin do you need to be a millionaire? I know a lot of people want to know the answer to this question, and the truth behind this question might be difficult for some people to hear, but I want to lay it out for you guys in detail in this video and what I believe is actually realistic and what you can expect if you're holding Dogecoin. Some people are sitting on the sidelines wondering right now, should I be buying Dogecoin? If I was buying Dogecoin, could I still become a millionaire? If I was to buy Dogecoin, how many Dogecoin would I need to be a millionaire? And is that even achievable for me? Well, I want to talk about it in this video, so stick around to the end and let's get into it. This is going to be a pretty quick update for you guys on a trend that I'm actually seeing, which is very bullish for Dogecoin, but how high can Dogecoin go and how much do you need to be rich on it? Rich is relative, but let's talk about how much you need to be a millionaire. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Welcome, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. If you're watching this on X, give us a retweet, give us a follow. If you're watching this on YouTube, smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's take a peek at what's going on right now. Now, earlier today, we had yet another new all-time high for Bitcoin, and that is absolutely wonderful and spectacular. If you look at right now what the price of Bitcoin is, it's sitting at $92,000. And let me just refresh that, make sure that it's still accurate. Yes, back down to $92,000. Earlier today, it was at $94K. And that's okay because there's going to be some serious resistance going up to $100,000 for Bitcoin. But overall, the crypto market's doing very good with a new high coming for Bitcoin seemingly very frequently lately. We're actually seeing the total market cap for cryptocurrency break out as well. Right now, these are the monthly candles for the total market cap for cryptocurrency. This is significant because this monthly candle right here is the highest monthly candle that crypto as a whole, Bitcoin, Ethereum, every single coin, Dogecoin alike, this is the market cap of the entire thing. And once this breaks out, well, if you look at what happened to Bitcoin, once Bitcoin broke up past its previous highs, it had a very big move to the upside. I expect the same to be true with the total market cap. And we could see trillions of dollars flow into this thing quickly. In the peak of this bull market, we could see 6 to 10, maybe even $20 trillion in this crypto market because nations are buying crypto. But what do you need to know for Dogecoin? Well, right now, Dogecoin is currently only sitting at the time of this recording 88% or so from its previous highs. Now, that is very significant, my friends. That is very significant. In the bottom of this bear market, guys, this coin was almost 15x, it's about a 15x away from the highs. And now it is only 88%, not even a 2x away from the previous highs. We have a trend going on right now for Dogecoin that I've been talking about in my videos every day that is proving to be a breakout. Now, the warning I've been giving with this is, you see this trend line, it tested, and then broke through, found support, bounced off support, found new highs, and now tested, broke through. Here's what I'm looking at, guys. Right now, Dogecoin, well, it is rallying. And this is, by the way, Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin dominance, the overall amount of money invested in Bitcoin is right now 60% of all the money in crypto. And Bitcoin dominance, this number right here is continuing to climb, which says that for the most part, altcoins are underperforming against Bitcoin, but Dogecoin is showing an incredible amount of strength, which is why maybe you're watching this video right now because you're trying to figure out how many Dogecoin you need to be a millionaire and how much money you need in Dogecoin to be a millionaire. Well, right now, Dogecoin is moving, and I think it's got a lot more upside. Let me be very clear. I've come out and said I believe Dogecoin can go to $2. I believe it might even go higher than that. But I think $2 is a realistic target. Right now to the previous high for the valuation of Doge versus Bitcoin, that's a 200% move to the upside. In the last bull market, Dogecoin took a new high versus Bitcoin. I think that it can do the same again. And so I think that Dogecoin can outperform Bitcoin over 2x. Okay. So if Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin doubles, that means that Dogecoin should go up about, 4x. Okay. And I think that's possible, right? Because again, if Dogecoin goes up 4x from here, that's still under $2. Okay, so the big question then is, how much Dogecoin do you need to be a millionaire? Well, instead of me telling you how many Dogecoin tokens you need, I'm going to tell you that at the current price of Doge, which is 38 cents, and you know what? I'm going to tell you how many tokens you need. All right, so let's do some math here. Let's say the Dogecoin price goes to $2 in this bull market. Okay. If you divide 2 by 38 cents, boom, you're going to get a 5.2x. And so this is a tough answer, guys. I told you guys this is going to be a difficult answer for some people to take. I'm telling you that from the current price levels, maybe a 5.2x is still left on the table for Dogecoin. But guys, here's the deal. Just the other day, right? I mean, October, guys. October, I was saying I think Dogecoin can 10x. Well, guess what, guys? Dogecoin already went up almost 3x since October. And so I've been saying 10x prediction for a while. There was a huge opportunity to get in a lot lower. But if this is truly the math, and we're dealing with only a 5.2x ahead of us, let's call it a 5x conservatively. And is that conservative? You could debate that. You need about $200,000 in Dogecoin too. So to become a Dogecoin millionaire, you are going to need a lot of money in Doge. A lot of money in Doge. Okay, so let's just say you had, $200,000 in Dogecoin today. Well, how many Dogecoins is that? If you divide 200,000 by 38 cents, the answer is 526,000 Dogecoin, 500,000 Dogecoin, which used to probably be easy to get, right? If you were buying at 4/10 of a penny, this was easy to get once upon a time. But these days, that's very difficult. So, why, I want to become a millionaire on Dogecoin. Well, it's going to be a tough one to do. Why am I so quote unquote bearish on Dogecoin? I'm not bearish on Dogecoin. I'm very bullish on Dogecoin. I told you guys in October that I thought this thing could 10x. 10x is a tremendous amount of upside. If you look at Dogecoin, it's currently sitting at a $57 billion market cap. If it 5x's from here, that means that Dogecoin goes to a valuation of about $250 billion. That is $250 billion. And what you need to understand is there's currently only $3 trillion invested in the crypto market. Now, could Dogecoin go a lot higher? Yes, it absolutely could. That is possible, guys. And, there's a world where maybe instead of only going 5x, it goes 10x. Maybe it goes to $4. Well, if that's the case, then you'd only need, 263,000 Dogecoins. Still about $100,000 in Dogecoin to make $1 million if Dogecoin goes 10x from here, right? Because 100,000 times 10, that's simple math for you guys. A lot of people still believe that it's a coin with like $1,000. You can put $1,000 in a Dogecoin, you can become a millionaire. That's simply not the case. Now, I'm bullish on it, guys. Elon Musk apparently still owns a bunch of Dogecoin. He probably owns millions of dollars worth of Dogecoin for all we know. I did a video on that yesterday, actually, but there are reports coming out, and there's actually audio of him recently saying, unverified that this is actually him, but saying allegedly that he still owns a bunch of Dogecoin. And I do think that he does still own a ton of Dogecoin. I'm bullish on Doge, guys. Here's another thing you got to remember. Dogecoin price leaps again, and as Bitcoin nears all-time highs, Dogecoin's going to continue to get more and more articles about it, guys. It's going to continue to get more and more articles about it. So the answer to the question, how much money do you need in Dogecoin to become a Dogecoin millionaire? The answer's a tough one, guys. The answer's probably about $200,000 because at this point, a 5x would be fantastic for Dogecoin. A 10x would be mind-numbing awesome for Dogecoin. And anything above a 10x is asking for something above a $500 billion market cap for Dogecoin. And, I wonder, do you guys think that Dogecoin can go to $500 billion in valuation? It's an interesting thing to think because some of the biggest companies in the world are valued at about $1 trillion. I think Apple's valued at $2 billion. Can Dogecoin be 1/4 the size of Apple? You know what? I don't know. Maybe it could. Elon Musk is going to integrate it into X. Maybe $2 isn't bullish enough, but $2 I think is a realistic price target for this bull market. It's so great to see Dogecoin making these moves, approaching these highs. I definitely believe Dogecoin is going to $1. Simple math will tell you you're going to need quite a bit of money in Dogecoin in order to become a millionaire if it only goes to $2. And if it goes a lot higher, well then obviously, you need less money in Doge. But that's my answer. As for the price action on Doge, I think that we do have to remain cautiously optimistic that this thing can continue to soar up and go to a new high versus Bitcoin, which I do think is very much on the table here. But do not be surprised if we see a bounce back down to test off the point of breakout, right? So we're kind of breaking out past these wicks. Boom. Don't be surprised to see another bounce. before we continue to the upside and make new highs versus Bitcoin for Doge. That's all I have in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. The total market cap is going up. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling bullish. I think a 5x is still easy for Dogecoin in my mind. That's my personal opinion. Do you think it can go higher? Do you agree with my hypothesis on how many Dogecoin you need to be a millionaire? Do you disagree? Simply let me know in the comments down below, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence, do your own research. One thing's for sure, I'm a Dogecoin bull, but I want to keep it realistic, guys. Until next time, I'm Crypto Kip. Tap the like, subscribe, DCA HODL. If you're watching on X, smash a like, retweet it out. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe for more content, and I have 2 videos for you right here. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.